Hello everyone, welcome to Go Fit Naturally. We were discussing about immunity. In the last video, we have discussed some natural ways to boost our immune system. We have covered some important immunity boosting foods. If you have not seen that video, then please see it after you finish this one. You can find the link in my description box. In this video, we will see some more natural immunity boosters and lifestyle changes which are very important but are generally ignored since they are less known. Please watch this video till the end to know all the important points. So let's begin. Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is probably the most neglected immunity booster. Researchers have found that sunlight energizes the T cells that play a central role in human immunity. Vitamin D supplementation may reduce the risk for viral infection, including respiratory tract infections, by reducing production of pro-inflammatory compounds in the body. People who get chronic infections have low levels of the vitamin. Even in the case of COVID-19, people with low levels of vitamin D were shown to have severe symptoms. Spend some time in sunlight, which is a natural source of vitamin D. Remember, sunlight is pure and free too. Please get yourself tested for vitamin D levels so that your doctor can prescribe you a supplement if needed. Number 2. Probiotics. 70% of our immune cells reside in the lining of our gut. What is gut? It is our gastrointestinal tract, our digestive system from mouth to anus. The state of our gut helps to determine how we feel physically and mentally. You must have heard the saying, gut feeling. It comes from here. In fact, the relationship between good and bad bacteria, good and bad gut bacteria is the secret to healthier you. So keeping your gut healthy means keeping your immune system healthy. You have to include probiotics in your diet for maintaining a healthy gut, since probiotics are a good source of good bacteria. Now let's see what you can eat to keep your gut healthy. Curd, buttermilk, pickles have good probiotic property. Yes, you are hearing me right, pickles or achar. Pickles get lacto-fermented since they are stored for many years. So go ahead and have some pickle. Fermented and cultured food, sprouted lentils. I also want to mention that antibiotics kill all the bacteria in our body. They kill good bacteria also. So they are also damaging to the gut microdata and immunity. So take it only when your doctor prescribes you. Number 3. Stress. If you are going through some stressful times in life, you need to know that it can have a significant impact on both your physical and mental health. Being stressed can hinder the effectiveness of your immune system, making you more susceptible to viruses and bacteria. When you are feeling stressed, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone released to curb stress. This will impair your immune health and it won't be able to produce more white blood cells in the body. We cannot stress this enough. To lead a healthy lifestyle, the most important thing is to clear your mind from all the worries. Relax, spend some time with your loved ones and stay happy. Number 4. Exercise. There is a compelling link between physical activity and the body's defense mechanism. Exercise helps your immunity perform at a high level. According to health experts, regular exercise helps in the production and strengthening of white blood cells that fight diseases. It is important that you include daily exercise in your lifestyle to ensure that your immune system is in a superior condition. Exercise also reduces stress, in turn again reducing the risk of weak immune system. Taking a daily walk, practicing yoga, doing cardio, following a regular exercise routine can help decrease your chances of developing any health issue. But remember, don't overdo it. Moderate and right amount of exercise is necessary. Number 6. Now let's see what should be avoided to keep your immune system healthy. You should reduce alcohol consumption. You should stop smoking. Junk food also should be avoided. Please keep your children away from junk food. It's very important for their immune system. All these things will increase toxins in your body and make your immune system weak. So the thumb rule to build stronger immunity is to eat a nutritious meal and follow a healthy lifestyle. We have discussed a total of 10 points in this video and last video together. If you have not watched that one, please watch that too. Following all the 10 points are surely going to help you have a good immune system. If you like this information and if you think this is going to help others too, then please like and share my video. If you want to watch videos related to health, nutrition, weight loss, natural home remedies, then please subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, then please comment below. Stay tuned, there is a video related to weight loss coming up next. Thank you, bye, stay healthy, stay fit.